Hi guys, we have another products to review from the TikTok shop again guys. And I thought this is so small and this is huge guys. Did you see? This is the product that they sent me. This is a black hair shampoo, 3-in-1 hair color, hair care, hair nourishment, and this is a new or long-lasting colored gray covered natural instant effect guys. This is the product that they send. And this product is 3-in-1 plus 99.99% gray hair covered. And these are herbal ingredients, multiple colors, available plant, hair dye, hair care. And remember, no harmful substitutes with this. So pure natural plant ingredients, guys. And this is so powerful kind of black hair shampoo, hair coloring. This is very, very good.